Meet Polus AI, an AI-driven no-code data analytics platform. NewFangled Vision, a 4-year-old startup, has built Polus AI. As we already know that, data is wealth or can be turned into strategical assets. But Gartner said most organizations are unable to do it. Really? Tell me why. We are struggling, even there are many BI and ETL tools in the market. Then why it is happening? What is the root cause? See, you know what? In any AI, ML, or analytics project involves around 65% of data engineering activities, and presently, data engineering required tons of coding by highly skilled software developers. And another burning issue is existing ETL tools don't have any clue for big data, streaming data, and stitching heterogeneous databases. Second daunting problem is, after ETL data is ready for analytics, but unfortunately, this ready data is only accessible by software guys. This inefficiency killing analytics, as only decision makers and domain experts can turn the data into wealth. But business users are data deprived. So what is the solution? Easiness of data engineering and conversational capabilities with any databases. Do we have as such product in the market? Yes. Introducing Polus AI, we replicated the brain of champion developers into Polus. So Polus is writing the code for data engineering, data visualization, or machine learning. Polus AI ecosystem has 3 innovative products: Conversatix BI, AI-based BI, which empower businesses to get all kind of data insights just by conversation. Conversatix ETL, data engineering 10x faster and economical with our no-code ETL. ExpressStream, enabling real-time analytics data from devices, mobile, IoT, etc. We are also in consultancy services for niche domain like big data, data lake, and data warehouse. Our services include architecture solution designing and data lake design and implementation. Want to have a conversation with your databases? Then we are just a call away.